I'm Italian. 41% Italian. It feels like a whole piece of my life has been given back to me.
Over the past 3 seasons of Every Family Has a Secret, we have witnessed some gobsmacking revelations, and there's another one about to take place.
I'm Noni. Nice to meet you, darling.
In Series 1, Perth adoptee Marianne revealed the heartbreaking circumstances which resulted in her never being able to meet her mum.
The person that answers is her second husband, and he says, "I'm really sorry to tell you, but she's been killed."
Her mum's tragic car accident also meant that Marianne had no answer to the question, "Who is my father?" However, her Ancestry DNA test revealed his Italian ethnicity.
So we've got a list of the Italian surnames that have popped up.
That's a big list.
The A to Z of your relatives?
Yes.
While her results connected with dozens of Italian families, there were no close matches.
All you need is for a half-sibling to take a DNA test, and you'll get the answer you've been looking for.
Dream big, right?
Yeah.
I'm dreaming big.
And now there have been some extraordinary new developments that Marianne is unaware of.
Hey Marianne, how are you?
Yeah, hi Brad, I am great.
Ancestry's Brad Argent is calling her from London.
Awesome to be reconnecting, 3 years later? You did tell me that you would check my DNA every day till the day you found my dad, Brad, so how's that going your end?
Well, funny you should ask, because I do have a bit of an update for you.
Oh, do you? Oh, wow, okay.
Until very recently, all your matches had been distant. But then the right person took a DNA test, and you have a very close family match.
Wow, okay. There's a bit of a bombshell.
Marianne, you have a sister.
Brad, what?
A half-sister.
I can't comprehend this. I have a half-sister?
Yes. She lives in Perth.
She doesn't live in Perth. She doesn't live in Perth.
She does.
Brad, that's amazing. I can't believe this.
So let me tell you a little bit about your half-sister. Now, she was adopted, but unlike you, she knew who her birth family was, who her birth parents were.
Okay. So, how does this not lead to my dad?
Well, it does.
You found my dad?
Yeah.
Oh, Brad. And I'm thinking, from what you're saying, he's not alive?
He is.
My dad's alive.
Yes. In Perth.
My dad's alive and my dad's in Perth.
Yeah. His name, and I'm not making this up, his name is... You wanted to be Italian.
I did.
And it doesn't get more Italian than that.
Oh my gosh, no. You found my dad is alive, my dad is in Perth. I have a half-sister. It's actually blowing my mind. And my heart, it's blowing my heart. I'm so excited, I can't wait to tell people. My boys will have a grandfather. They've never had a grandfather. And that's all because of that one little spit in a tube. It's an unromantic test, but this is a very romantic end to that. That one small test has actually solved the riddle of my life and has given me my family. So here I am, waiting to meet my dad. For the first time in a little while, I'm going to meet one of my parents. I can't really explain what this is like. I'm in equal parts over the moon, excited and completely terrified, but I can't wait to see his face. I can't wait to hear his voice. I'm hoping secretly I find a little bit of myself in him, that I can see that connection. My hands are shaking. Next to giving birth to my own children, getting married to my beautiful husband, this is actually the best day of my life. So I'm off to meet my dad. Wish me luck. Yes, it's dark and I'm just arriving home after the most extraordinary 7 hours of my life. It's been amazing, it's been incredible, it's been like talking to an old friend. It's very familiar, very comfortable. Just, there was an instant connection. There is an instant connection between us. And I guess a bond. All my questions have been answered. Everything that I wanted to know, I really know, and I just couldn't be happier. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you to Ancestry and to that little tube, which has changed my life.